Alrighty, so I'm not going to show how to add a domain to your funnel or a website. So I'm going to add this domain to the funnel that I'm working on, which is CP Local 360 funnel. So I'm going to open that up, and then to get to the domain settings, you're going to want to click this settings button right here, and then you can select a domain. You do already have to own a domain with some domain provider, and I'm going to show how to do that real quick as well. So we're going to go to add and edit domains. We're going to add a domain, and see it's prompting me to enter in an A record or a CNAME record for this domain so that LeadStack can identify that domain. So to do that, I have to get a domain. So I like to use Google domains. You can go to domains.google.com, but you can use, of course, any domain provider. Namecheap or GoDaddy work as well. Okay. Enter in your domain. Okay. We're just gonna pretend that mine is available. Again, I'm creating a fictional company here. So, of course, add that to cart, purchase the domain, and then find that domain in your domains. I'm gonna pretend it's this one for this scenario. And then you're gonna wanna go to your DNS settings on that domain. The methods of how to get there vary, but you can always look up like how to get to DNS settings on GoDaddy, for example. And of course, it's going to give you a quick guide on how to manage those DNS records for any provider that you use. So on Google Domains, you click Manage Custom Domains. We're going to add a new record. And then we're gonna add this. A record. So copy the A record information there. Again, hit create new record, throw it in as an A record, and then paste in that string of numbers. And you can leave the name over here blank, and then save that. Okay, that should be saved. So now I'm going to enter that domain name. Okay, click add. There we go, just like that. So now I can link this domain to a particular funnel. So we can do CP Local 360, and then we can set it up so that the default page is the home page. Link the domain. And now it's going to take a little bit for those changes to propagate, but typically here, within the next 30 minutes, that domain is going to be set up. If it takes any longer, do not panic. In some scenarios, I've seen this take a day or two, but usually it's very quick. Okay, so if I go to agencyoftheozarks.com, let it load a little bit. And of course, if you have any trouble with this, you can always contact LeadStack support. But as you can see, that domain that I just now set up is already working. So in this scenario, it was very, very quick, which is awesome. So we're going to keep on working on this website, but now you know how to connect your domain.